Why the Nikon COOLPIX P950 feels illegal. 2000mm zoom test plus bird mode madness. You ever stare at your basic camera and feel personally attacked by how your shots look? Like, how is it 2025 and your zoom maxes out at 4x before your subject turns into a Picasso painting? Whether it's missing that bird mid-flight or getting photobombed by digital noise, shooting with outdated gear is an actual test of patience. The colors? Flat. The clarity? Meh. The results? Forgettable. And don't even get me started on shaky handheld footage, it's like trying to shoot wildlife on a trampoline. You want more. You deserve more. But where's the gear that gets it? Now imagine you've got one shot to catch that eagle mid-hunt or the moon looking like a Marvel VFX reel, and your camera fumbles. It's blurry, cropped, pixel soup. And there you are, again, missing the moment while someone else posts it in 4K. That creeping regret of maybe I should have upgraded hits hard, right? Creativity suffers, motivation dips, and the joy of the hobby starts feeling like a chore. When your camera can't keep up, it's not just annoying, it's heartbreaking. This isn't a gear problem. It's a you're being held back problem. And it stops now. Enter the Nikon COOLPIX P950, your new zoom-happy, bird-stalking, moon-capturing sidekick. This beast rocks an 83x optical zoom, that's 2000mm baby, meaning you can literally photograph the craters on the moon, or that squirrel 3 blocks away, without leaving your porch. It's lightweight, stabilized with dual detect VR, and dishes out pro-level quality with RAW support in cinematic 4K UHD video. Whether you're a birder, stargazer, YouTuber, or full-blown nature paparazzi, the P950 doesn't just meet the moment, it nails it. No more almost shots. Just chef's kiss perfection. With a high-res EVF, fully articulating LCD, bird and moon modes, yes, actual modes, and buttery fast autofocus, this is your one-way ticket to whoa, you shot that, reactions. Toss in the full accessory bundle, tripod, camera bag, cleaning kit, 64GB card, the whole buffet, and you're instantly geared up to dominate photography from every angle. Plus, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth lets you flex your shots instantly. It's not just gear, it's confidence, freedom, and creative power in your hands. Want to step into super telephoto greatness? The path starts here. Cameras like this don't stay on shelves long. The Nikon COOLPIX P950 bundle is flying off the digital shelves, because people are done missing their moments. Don't wait for regret to kick in. Join thousands who've leveled up and finally nailed the shot. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a creative revolution. Hit that buy button, unlock your inner Nat Geo legend, and make every click iconic. Your best shot is waiting, zoom in and take it.